What makes a project successful? Is it the team, the resources, or perhaps the timing? While all of these aspects certainly play a part, the real backbone of any successful project is a well-crafted and executed project management plan. Now, a project management plan is more than just a timeline or a to-do list. It is a comprehensive document that guides the project from inception to completion, outlining the path to reach the project's objectives while managing risk, scope, quality, and resources. First and foremost, a successful project management plan begins with a well-defined scope. The project scope is a detailed description of the project's objectives, deliverables, and the work required to produce them. It provides the team with a clear understanding of what they need to accomplish and how their work will contribute to the project's success. Without a well-defined scope, a project can easily go off track, leading to cost overruns, missed deadlines, and unmet expectations. Secondly, a project management plan must include a detailed timeline. This includes key milestones, task dependencies, and deadlines. The timeline serves as the project's roadmap, guiding the team towards the finish line. It also helps in managing expectations, keeping the team aligned, and ensuring that everyone is working towards the same goals. Thirdly, a successful project management plan must have a solid risk management plan. This involves identifying potential risks, assessing their impact, and developing strategies to mitigate them. By proactively managing risks, project managers can avoid surprises and ensure that the project stays on track, even when unexpected events occur. Next, a project management plan should also include a comprehensive resource management plan. This involves identifying the resources needed for the project, allocating them appropriately, and managing their use throughout the project lifecycle. Effective resource management ensures that the project has the necessary resources to meet its objectives, without wasting resources or overloading team members. Finally, a project management plan must also include a communication plan. This outlines how information will be shared among the team and stakeholders, including the methods of communication, frequency, and responsible parties. Effective communication ensures that everyone stays informed and aligned, reducing misunderstandings and confusion. So, in summary, the key components of a successful project management plan are a well-defined scope, a detailed timeline, a solid risk management plan, a comprehensive resource management plan, and an effective communication plan. Each of these components plays a crucial role in guiding the project towards its objectives, managing risks and resources, and ensuring clear and effective communication among the team and stakeholders. Remember, a project management plan is not a one-time document. It is a living document that evolves with the project, guiding it from inception to completion. So, whether you're managing a small project or a multi-million-dollar initiative, remember that a well-crafted project management plan is your blueprint for success.